Welcome to day 2 of my holiday card series. If this is your first visit, welcome. It's nice to see new faces here on my channel. Please make yourself at home, and I invite you to check out some of my other content. If you're returning, thank you for being here. I'm always happy to see my crafty friends. Now that you are here, please remember to like and subscribe. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video, and you'll never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. Today I'm making a card with a window frame to showcase a cute stamp from the Winter Wonderland stamp set from Doodlebug Designs. As far as designs go, this is a pretty simple card with a clean look that highlights the stamp by framing it out and offering a little bit of dimension. Let's get right into it. First, I created the window frame. I used some stitched rectangles and held them in place using some washi tape. These dies are from My Favorite Things, and they create a nice detail around the outer border. After I die cut the centerpiece, however, I went back with a second die, a just stitched rectangle die from Lawn Fawn, to add a double stitched border around the window opening. Next, I worked on the back panel. Using pencil, I lightly marked the opening where my window would be over the back panel. This was a guide to help me know where to put my color down. I added color to the background by ink blending Distress Oxide inks in the colors Cracked Pistachio, Pine Needles, and Chipped Sapphire. I was careful not to blend too high because the outer edge of that panel would peek out from behind the top of the window panel in the finished card. If you're afraid you may get that edge inky, you can always mask it with some tape or paper. After ink blending, I used some Perfect Pearls and water to add a little shimmer to the background. I chose the little snowman from the stamp set as my main image, but there are several other images that would have looked great with this design. I stamped the image in intense black ink and then colored the image using Copics. Snowmen are a great option to color if you have a limited marker collection because they don't really require many colors. I created this little guy using primarily gray and red tones and orange, of course, for the nose. For those colors and all my supplies, please see the description below. I love using red for the holidays, and I wanted to create the pop of color against that blue-green sky of the background. My coloring technique is really simple. I start off with the light color and gradually work up to the darkest and then back to the lightest to blend out. For the sentiment, I heat foiled a silver greeting along the bottom of the window using the glimmer system. I used the Holiday Sentiment Series 2 from Spellbinders for the warm holiday wish greeting. To make sure my sentiment was secure, I taped it into place along the top of the plate, creating a hinge, and then slipped a sliver of the foil beneath it. I trimmed the foil beforehand, but it was still a bit long, and I snipped the excess off using some scissors. When the foil system was ready, I placed the card base with the plate secured to it face down. When the light indicator was ready, I removed the base and ran it through my die cut machine. The results always impress me when I pull away that foil to reveal the sentiment. I went back to add a little glitter hillside to the inside of my window. I had some glitter cardstock with double-sided adhesive on it left over from a previous project, so I used that. I used both the window and my previous pencil marks to help me put the hill in place. Next, I attached my window panel over the background using foam tape. I used a sand eraser to clean up my card a bit when I was done. I'm notorious for getting little smudges and marks on my cards, and it's especially easy when using white cardstock. My sand eraser is my best friend when it comes to crafting, and it really does the trick. Next, it was time to add my snowman using foam tape. I wanted to add a little more shimmer to the card, and to do that, I cut a few more snowflakes using some mini dies. These are from My Favorite Things. I cut a layer using the same glitter cardstock as the hillside, and then some white cardstock layers to layer the snowflakes up. After I had them layered, I added them to the card front using liquid glue. No holiday card is complete without some striped scarves, so naturally I went back with a white gel pen to add that detail, as well as some dots to mimic more snow. And that's it for this card. I am a sucker for clean, simple card designs, and I'm really loving how the snowflakes just added a little bit of sparkle to this card. What do you think? Please leave me your comments below. I love hearing from you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a great day and life treats you kindly. I'll see you next time for day 3 of the series. Take care. Bye.